This is a Blackpink Jennie ice cream music video inspired makeup look. I tried my best. It's not an exact match, but I just thought the look was really pretty, so enjoy! So here I am beating my face with my Kiko full coverage 2-in-1 foundation. I had a lot to cover on this day, so there I am beating my face hard. And covering any more blemishes with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer, which I love. Covering any red bits, under eye circles, all of that. And to set it, I use my Coty Airspun Translucent Loose Face Powder. Gets rid of any shine on the face, and it just makes sure that the makeup stays put, doesn't move. Now with my favorite bronzer, which is the Too Cool for School Art Class Contour. Jennie doesn't look like she has a crazy amount of bronzer on, but she does have a shorter chin, which I tried to recreate by putting the contour there. And then I put some on the hairline and down the sides of my face. I always like to contour, I think it's essential, especially on camera. Then using the same bronzer, I pick some up on the brush and start contouring my nose, defining the nose bridge, making it seem higher and more defined, smaller, narrower, whatever. I could do this for hours, honestly. For brows, I just use my usual Kill Brow Clio eyebrow pencil, and I have quite thick eyebrows, so it's really hard to change them in any shape. But yeah, here I am going over it with a spoolie, brushing it out, and then with a brow gel. And using the same contour palette, I'm just gonna put some on my lid and on my under eye, just to give my eyes some depth, because the colors won't do that so well. Now for the fun part, I recently bought myself the James Charles Morphe eyeshadow palette. And can you tell I'm very excited about this? So going in with this hot pink shade called Skip, and it's very pigmented and beautiful, and I'm just putting that in the front corner of my eyes. And it's my first time like putting on crazy colors like this. I usually don't wear such colorful eyeshadows. I just like to have like shadows and depth, but nothing like this. It's a first for me. Now going in with this purple shade called Single, and I put that in the middle part of my lid. I also used my finger as well because I felt like the brush was not packing enough color for me. And then alternating between using the brush and my finger. But this is such a pretty color. I love purple. Then I did the same for the other eye, obviously. Next, I went in with this green shade called Social Blade. And I think this is such a cool, unique color. And I packed that into the outer corner of my eye. It's really rare for me to wear crazy colors like this because I never do. I only wear like neutral browns and like really soft eyeshadows, nothing so bold like this. So this is really fun. Next, I used this light pink glittery shade called Dust from my Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. And I think it's so pretty. So I just put that in the inner corners of my eyes where the tear ducts are. Next, I noticed Jennie had this mole just above her eye, underneath her eyebrow, so I tried to copy that. Look at my face. Not knowing if I'm doing anything right, lol. Next, going in with a liquid eyeliner. Jennie doesn't have a crazily thick eyeliner going on. It's very thin but winged out, which I tried to do. And on the other side, I really do love that green color. It's so unique. And I have eyelash extensions, which means I can skip the mascara and eyelash color, which is amazing. For the lips, I use my Peri Pera Airy Ink Velvet number 2. And this is probably one of my favorite lip products of all time. It's such a pretty wearable corally color. And that's basically it for the makeup. She doesn't have much blush on or anything, so I finished it there. In the music video, Jennie has cherry earrings on, but I don't have any, but I found these ice cream ones, which I thought were suitable. Look at my face. So I put these ice cream ones on. And I tried to do my hair, but I'm really not very good at hair, so this is basically the finished product. So I am not a professional makeup artist. I just enjoy makeup and I just thought this look was really pretty, so that's my final look. Thank you always for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.